Hi, it's Dr. Caroline Brookfield with another of your favorite weeks of I Dare You to try something new, something to engage your unique creativity. This month, we're supporting N for Novelty. It's the third habit in the word dance to help engage your own unique creativity because you're already creative. It's like poop, you're full of it. So this week's dare I'm going to do with you. So we are going to go to a website and it is called perchance.org/ingredient. There's a few sites like that, but this is the one we're going to look at today together. So this is a random ingredient generator. I have selected 2 ingredients. So you can see here I could select 1 or 5. I thought 2 is a good number for what we're going to do. What we're going to do is we're going to get the ingredient generator to give us 2 ingredients, and then we have to find a recipe or make a meal that involves those 2 ingredients. This is a bit of a bigger dare, but regardless, even if you find the recipe that combines these ingredients, it will help you learn to face ambiguity. So let's see what I get. I don't want to look. Oh my gosh, chipotle pepper and pecans. So I am going to go off. I'll finish this video later. I'm going to find a recipe with chipotle pepper and pecans, and I will come back and let you know how it goes. Okay, so I have my 2 ingredients, my ground chipotle pepper, and my pecans, not pecans. That's something you put under your bed. That's what I learned in Florida. And I got some sweet potatoes and salmon and brown rice. And I will show you my meal when I'm done. Okay, so I'm going to get a little creative on my recipe I'm making with the chipotle pepper and pecans. And I have some Swiss chard from my garden. I never know what to do with it, so I'm going to roast it and throw it in this chipotle salmon bowl. See how it tastes. I'll let you know. Okay, so I'm finished my meal with the 2 mystery ingredients, and it looks really... I've got my salmon and sweet potato, and there's the pecans with the glaze, and I can't wait to try it. I should probably eat it while I'm on the video, not in front of you. Delicious. Tell me what your recipe was and what ingredients you got.